The LUXRITE F32T8/741T8 fluorescent tube light bulb is specifically crafted for those needing reliable illumination in home, office, or commercial settings. With a 32-watt output and a cool white 4100K color temperature, it delivers 2850 lumens per bulb, promising bright and efficient lighting for extended periods of use. Current prices can vary, but on Amazon, multi-packs are often listed to provide even better value for buyers. Customers appreciate the bulb's long lifespan and compatibility with G13 medium bipin bases, making installation hassle-free. Many reviews highlight its flicker-free startup and consistent performance, even over many hours. The product's key features also include energy-saving construction and mercury content that meets safety standards. A considerable portion of buyers comment on the cost-effectiveness and quality of the light output, which is neither too harsh nor too dim. Pros include the bulb's bright, cool white light, energy efficiency, and straightforward compatibility with a wide range of fixtures. Negative feedback, while limited, generally centers around shipment breakage or rare manufacturing defects. The average rating from customers remains impressively high, with most reviews awarding 4 or 5 stars and expressing satisfaction with durability and light quality. Overall, this LUXRITE tube is a dependable choice for bulk lighting needs. We share buy links in the description box.